those people who were addicted to oxy, they just didn't want to feel lonely. They didn't want to feel sad. They didn't want to be confronted with pain. And this life is full of pain. This life is full of tribulations. This life is full of tests. This life is not milk and honey. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes a promise in the Holy Quran. وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ We will test every one of you. بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ وَنَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَنفُسِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ We will test you in every way. With fear, with poverty, with hunger, with starvation, with war, with famine, with your loved ones. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ Now who's going to pass this test? Who's not going to end up going and taking oxy and overdosing? وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ الَّذِينَ إِذَا أَصَابَتْهُمْ مُصِيبَةٌ قَالُوا إِنَّا لِلَّهِ وَإِنَّا إِلَيْهِ رَاجِعُونَ I submit to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. أُفَوِّضُ أَمْرِي إِلَى اللَّهِ I leave my affairs in the hands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. أُفَوِّضُ أَمْرِي إِلَى اللَّهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ بَصِيرٌ بِالْعِبَادِ Allah is a witness. Allah is seeing all of this. Allah is going to help me. Allah is going to aid me. They didn't want to be confronted with any sort of discomfort. We want to make sure that we're pampered all the time, we're happy all the time, we're laughing all the time, we're smiling all the time. The slightest of discomfort that comes to us, we're not willing to confront it. We're not willing to have sabr and patience.